Hello everyone! Today I would like to introduce a fascinating piece from my vintage collection, the DANUBIA Astronomical Telescope. For me, collecting vintage objects is not simply about keeping old things. Every object has its own design, character, and story. When I look at an old telescope like this, I see not only an optical instrument, but also a small piece of technological history. The DANUBIA telescope has the classic appearance of an older astronomical instrument. Its optical tube, focusing mechanism, mounting system, adjustment controls, and eyepieces reflect a period when careful mechanical construction and practical design were highly valued. Japanese optical equipment became well known for precision, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. During the development of consumer optics, Japan produced many cameras, binoculars, telescopes, and other instruments for people around the world. That is one of the reasons this telescope is particularly interesting to me as a collector. Imagine using an instrument like this many decades ago. There were no smartphones displaying detailed images of planets, and spectacular photographs of space were not instantly available online. To explore the night sky, people needed patience, a clear evening, and a real telescope, and the moon would have been one of the most exciting targets. Through a suitable telescope, its craters, mountains, valleys, and the boundary between light and darkness could often be surprisingly visible, and also fascinating, depending on the telescope's position and specifications. This is a vintage instrument, so we should not expect it to perform like a modern professional telescope. The viewing experience depends on the condition of the optics, eyepieces, alignment, atmospheric conditions, and the stability of the mount. But for me, the most important thing is not simply optical performance, it is the history and experience behind the object. When you look through a vintage telescope, we're using a real instrument designed to collect light from distant objects in the sky. That creates a special feeling and connects us with generations of amateur astronomers who spent quiet evenings observing the stars and planets. This DANUBIA telescope therefore has a special place in my collection. It represents science, craftsmanship, curiosity, and the human desire to understand the universe. I enjoy preserving vintage objects because they allow us to remember how technology developed and how people experienced the world in the past. I hope you enjoy taking a closer look at this DANUBIA telescope with me. If you enjoy vintage collections, classic technology, astronomy, and fascinating historical objects, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to sharing another interesting piece from my collection with you in the next video.